In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the Yahoo search permanently from Google Chrome, because you might have noticed that as soon as you search anything on the new tab, even if your homepage is set to Google, as soon as you try to find something, it always goes to search.yahoo.com, and you want to completely remove that. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the three dots next to the top right hand corner, and you click on the settings at the bottom. And after that, on the left hand side, you will switch to on startup. And from here, whatever Yahoo website you have saved, you just delete that. And on startup, it should be set to open a specific page or a set of pages. Here, we will just mention the website. Let's say we want to open google.com. Click add, and this sets the default whenever you open the Chrome browser like this. But the problem still remains that as soon as we click on the new tab and we search for something, it again goes to search.yahoo.com. So let's get rid of that. Click on the three dots again and go to the settings. And this time we will choose the default search engine on the left hand side. And from here, we will change from Yahoo to Google or whatever favorite browser or search engine you want. Set as default. And now your problem should be resolved. As soon as you search on the new tab, it always goes to the Google search. And also, if you don't want that to be switched for next time, you can click on the manage search engine and sites. And apart from Google, you can remove all the other browsers, like delete this, delete DuckDuckGo, delete Yahoo, and so on. But even then, if the Google keeps switching to Yahoo as a search engine, that means there might be a malicious extension involved or installed in the Google Chrome. So to remove that, you need to head over to the bottom section in the extensions and just disable or completely remove anything that is unknown. For example, this one, we remove that completely. Click on remove, click remove on this. And also, finally, what you can do is, if you're still unable to solve this problem, you can completely reset the Google Chrome. Click on reset settings to the original defaults, and that should solve almost all the problems on Google Chrome. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.